How to buy Autism token. So before we start, this is not much advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Mexc account and keep following their updates about this token. And don't forget to check their community too. As you can see, they have big community there. Now this token, as you can see, it's available on Mexc. So if you don't have an account on Mexc, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on Mexc to benefit from yours. Now after you create an account on Mexc, make sure to log into your account and go to the search bar and you can type the token name. This it will be the Autism like that. So after you find your token, from the top bar you can select the spot. After that, make sure to select the pair that have used it. Now click on it. So after that, what you need to do, just wait a few seconds to load this page. Now as you can see, just click here to set the amount that you want to buy like that, or you can drag this to set the percentage that you want to buy with. So after that, here you will be able to see how much you will be able to buy of this of that token by USDT that you have in your account. After that, click on buy Autism and you will be able to buy it on an account. So this is how to buy Autism token. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.